body perfumes.
हाँ, कोई भी फ्लेवर, फ्रेग्रेंस वगैरह वगैरह.
I think it's become part and parcel of our lives. We live in a very humid city. There's a lot of sweating that happens, and everybody likes to have his own or her individual odor. It's a fragrance rather than using the word odor. I am very comfortable with it. In the house also, I have become very particular now. The house, when guests come in, it should smell good. Because if you walk into a very well-done house with the most expensive indoor decor and it doesn't smell good, it's like serving a biryani with some sand on it. Biryani kamal ki sand dal diya, wo taste mein maza nahi aayega. Similarly, when you enter a house, you need to feel good. It also sets up better conversation, let me tell you. And in a house that smells nice, I don't want to use the word romantic here, we are in a public place, but it definitely sets up better conversation. I know it for a fact. You feel good, you speak happier things.
एंड आज आपको लगाया है कि आपने लोबो आपके कोट के ऊपर?
मैं हाँ जी
कुछ मोनोग्राम होना चाहिए एमबी प्योर का आपके ऊपर.
I didn't hear that.
Monogram, logo he meant.
We were expecting on your coat also.
It's on my coat?
Yeah, we were expecting that.
You know what?
Like Richa ji is.
Yeah, I had one. वो jacket किधर है मोहन? That jacket got dirty and I changed it. This is the one I used in the ad film. But I have a monogram jacket. लेकिन पीछे पूरा monogram ही है. हम लोग ने सब blue पहन के आए. Sorry यार.
कोई बात नहीं. रिचा जी एक क्वेश्चन आपसे.
रिचा जी.
Can you share कुछ incidents of the perfume खुशबू के बारे में कुछ अपनी जिंदगी का कोई?
Some incident about some odor. बराबर ना?
किसी भी चीज का.
हेलो. किस तरह का इंसिडेंट?
कुछ खुशबू से ताल्लुक रखता हो.
खुशबू बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. One of the 5 senses होती है. तो मेरे लिए खुशबू मतलब जैसे खाने की खुशबू से घर की याद आती है. You know your mother's cooking. That is an experience for me.
Good experience. Thank you.
Bhavan, hello, check.
Yep.
Hello, check.
Superb, you are Richa. You are too good.
हेलो बमन सर.
Yes sir.
जब भी किसी प्रोडक्ट को आप इंडोर्स करते हैं तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ जाती हैं.
जी.
अभी आपने पास में कंट्रोवर्सीज देखी थी बच्चन साहब के साथ. तो इस प्रोडक्ट को लेकर जब आपके पास ऑफर आया तो आपने क्या क्या चीज़ें अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के आधार पे आपने इसको साइन किया?
देखो हमने अभी एक बहुत ही साइंटिफिक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देखा. जैसे कि लग रहा है कि केमिस्ट्री लैब में हुआ है. बट there will be experiments, they can explain everything to you, but we don't know exactly what happens. But reputed companies and a product that you use will always be something that I am happy to endorse. कोई problem नहीं. अगर मैं मेरे घर में use करता हूँ, I'm more than, and I was using this product about 6 months before the brand ambassadorship came to me. Otherwise, we will doubt every single thing that we do in this world, including you, including the food we eat, including this coat that we wear. There'll be something inside it. There is no end to it. We're living in a modern world, a very manufactured world. We cannot go on doubting everything for the rest of our lives. Products are available in the market as long as the FDA has approved it. I'm okay with it as long as ethically it is right for me. I will not endorse products that are harmful. You know what I'm saying.
कौन सा ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जिसे आप कभी भी इंडोर्स नहीं करना चाहेंगे?
I just mentioned I will not endorse any
specific product.
Tobacco product, definitely out of the question. No question about it.
बोबन जी, आप ये 6 महीनों से प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो इसकी इफ़ेक्टिवनेस के बारे में आप कुछ कह सकते हैं कि कितनी देर ये फ्रेगरेंस रहती है बिफोर के वो उसकी फिर से आ जाती है, और कैसा लगता है आपको ये? आप जब घर में आते हैं तो आपको पता चलता है कि आज एमी प्योर की फ्रेगरेंस आ रही है?
वेरी नाइस. सी पहले तो हम बम्बे में रहते हैं, बहुत सारे स्मेल्स बाहर से भी आते हैं. हमारे दरवाजे पे फिश पर्सन, वेजिटेबल वेंडर, सब लोग दरवाजे पे आके इन गुड ओल्ड पारसी होम्स स्टाइल में दरवाजे पे हम लोग खरीदते हैं. We come out from very sweaty situations, shooting के वक्त, we come out with smelly clothes, sweaty stuff, we put it in a tub or we leave it on the floor in the bathroom. Those smells are, we have 2 lovely doggies in the house. जितना भी हमें उसे प्यार करें, जितने हम लोग बोले हमारी प्रिंसेसेस है, लेकिन वहाँ से भी ओडर आती है, बदबू आती है. हमारे किचन माशाल्लाह हमारे घर में we have guests all the time, whether they are coming to stay or whether they are coming to eat. So our kitchen is a 24-hour kitchen with very, very good food. And good food, while you're preparing good food, will always have strong smells. with tadka, as they say, fish, as we say, spices. They smell. Now, I used to in my den, कभी मेरी den बंद रहती है हमेशा, तो मैं जब शूटिंग से आता हूँ 10-12 दिन के बाद तो खोलता हूँ तो थोड़ा एक मस्टी स्मेल आता है, because it's not been opened. I keep my den shut. I used to use पहले deodorant, फिर deodorant का कुछ मजा नहीं आया, बोला deodorant शायद. I used to use expensive perfumes. It's not meant for the air. It's not meant to freshen the fragrance of the house. It's meant for the body. Then Zenobia, you brought Ambipure. Zenobia brought Ambipure, and I started using it. I started feeling great about it. 6 महीने के बाद, when the thing came to me, मैं वही den में बैठा था, Zenobia वहाँ bean bag पे बैठी थी, and I said, some inquiry for air freshener. Say, what, Ambipure? अरे यार, wonderful, we'll get free Ambipure. I mean, just it's a joke.